Hello, beautiful family. On the menu today is some delicious Ghana party salad, or you can also call it egg and cucumber salad. So this is the day after I made it, and it was still fresh and crunchy. So let me share this with you. Okay, it's very simple. You will need your lettuce, cucumber, carrots, spring onions, tomatoes, eggs, onions. I'll show you along the way. Okay, so start by washing all your vegetables and then taking off all the unwanted parts. Okay, wash it very well. I used distilled white vinegar. You can as well use salt if you don't have this. Okay, just let this sit in the water for about 5 minutes. I'm going to use the same method to clean my spring onions. You can omit this, but I love the freshness that spring onions give to my dishes. Go ahead and scrape your carrots nicely. I ended up using, I think, 1.5 carrots, yeah? And then I went ahead to peel half of my cucumber. Why am I peeling it? I didn't buy the organic one. However, if you clean it very well, you can choose not to scrape off the skin. So these are my veggies. It's either you pat them dry with a kitchen towel or with a clean kitchen napkin, but I put them in my strainer, okay, and let them sit for a while. So I grated my carrots using that bigger side. I hope you saw it. If not, please go back and have a look, okay? Went ahead to cut my tomatoes, my cherry tomatoes, into 4. Yeah, so first into half and then each half into 2. Hey, mass say. Okay, I also cut my cucumber. So just use any shape of your choice. Okay, I did it in such a way that my pretty Alicia will also enjoy. If they are too big, she tends not to eat them. So go ahead and cut your spring onion. So here we are doing some cutting here. Yeah, then finally we cutting our lettuce into one. Yen kase me as they me koto salad abitwitwa there be kase me koto lettuce kabrofo what. So now let's do the assembling. I'm doing just a layer, okay? So just a layer. So I started with my lettuce in no particular order, but I mean it's nice this way, right? So first with the lettuce, and then went ahead with my grated carrots. You can choose to also chop the carrots, okay? But this way is easier for the kids. Followed by my cucumber. Yeah, let me use this time to remind you to kindly subscribe to this channel. If you've watched me till this far, I'm sure you enjoy everything I do on this channel, right? Kindly subscribe, like the video, share to your friends and family. Thank you. So I went ahead to also add my cherry tomatoes as well as my red onions. You can use the white onions, but these red onions, oh, they add this pop of color. Just look at it. Isn't this appetizing? Just looking at this, nobody. Okay, I added more carrots. And what is Ghana salad without Heinz beans? And I can Heinz. Mommy, more baked beans. So let's release some of the stress. What I say? And pardon me if I make you laugh. So after the Heinz beans, because this is egg and cucumber salad, we need to add our eggs. However, if you are intolerant, you can skip this part. And trust me, this salad will still be delicious. You don't have to add eggs. Just the baked beans will do the magic. If you want some mayonnaise or ketchup, feel free to add it. I didn't add it because I want whoever wants it to add it by themselves. So what I say, that way they have the option of choosing. I added more spring onions. Just look at the final look. This looks appetizing. When your friend undi crowd ubedi. What I say, and I enjoyed this the following day with some wache, homemade wache and pasta. Any stew. As you know, my 2-in-1 stew. If you haven't watched that video, So with this recipe, you don't even need shito. So my wache stew video, that's what I paired my wache with. Just look at this salad. They will say, try this. Your guests and your family will be elated. Thank you very much for watching me today, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.